cutting machine working Flaw. First, take a photo. Copy the photo in the desktop. Open the laser software. Input the photo taken by the camera. Now we see this is the flaw on laser. Now we want to extract the contour of the laser. Okay, now it's import blocks. Import the blocks will be cutting. Now this is the cutting piece. Import. Now we auto nesting. Auto nesting, it can avoid the flaw pull area on the laser. This we can adjust the auto nesting time. Now we settings is 1 minute. Okay, now we see it. You see, this is flaw. This is flaw. Now the cutting piece is in laser area. Okay. Now we export the files. It supports the PLT degrees, PLT format. Okay, we give it a name. Now we open the machine control software and then import the files. Okay, we're loading it to the machine. Okay, it's loading. Okay, now you see it's in machine now. Okay, now we start cutting.